YouTube? Your boy B in the place to be. Back with that Sonata from my boy Thaddeus. Check it out, YouTube. Matter of fact, hold on. Hey, put that light up. We'll get some better light. Here we go, YouTube. This where that dent was at, YouTube. Then gone. Check this out. Where we at with it, man? Where we at with it, YouTube? My boy Thaddeus. Got them together, man. Y'all remember this was messed up real bad. Check the first video. Lens kind of dirty. No west sand, no buff. That's what else we doing in here. Getting the truck together. Getting it down to the silver. Well, down to bare metal. About to grind down to bare metal. So how we doing? Got the doors off of it now. Got the doors off. We working on YouTube. Got the rims right here. There they go. About to prime them up. The boy Tweet doing that shit. Motherfucker naked. That's where we at with the YouTube. Gotta sand them down and prime them. Then paint them purple for my boy Martell. For that Buick Regal. Still working on my boy Sean dashboard. All the bike work done on this. All the bike work done is ready to paint it. Everything prepped, ready to paint. Got to mask the windows back up. Got this car all the way wet sand, buffing it out tomorrow. As you can see, it's nighttime now. Got the Chevy out, and snatch the motor out of there. Got my boy Mad Dog 2006 Grand Marquis. Got this all sanded down. Check it out, YouTube. Got the Grand Marquis sanded down. Damn, about to do the white socks on here. It's kind of dark now, but it's a 2006 Grand Marquis. We about to do the White Sox theme on here. Got the Regal sanded down, primed up partially. You know how NBC do it. Just getting it in. About to snatch the motor out of here. We're gonna do this tomorrow. Snatch the motor out. Snatch the motor out the Chevy tomorrow. Can't see right now, it's dark, but the motor coming out the Chevy tomorrow. Gonna redo the motor. So back in here, YouTube, but this is it. Catch you guys on the next one, YouTube. Peace and love. Peace and love.